Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And definitely, guys, want to check this one out. This is coming from my good friends over at Garbbot. This is the future, guys. We are in the future now. This is an automatic smart trash can with auto packing trash bags, I do believe it's called. That'll be at the end of the video. So it's magic. I don't know what they did, but somehow taking out garbage just got easier. See, automatic trash can, 4.5 gallon, and they got a little tiny guy. So here we go. We're gonna rock this out really fast. Smart trash can. Put you guys down for a sec. And here we go. So once you open it up, you get a lot of goodies in the middle. Don't be surprised. They give you extra garbage bags and everything, so you're all set for now. But, you know, just might want to order some more just in case. So you got the wheels that move. They glide anywhere on carpet. So here's the garbage bags. You got to take all this stuff out first. And then you get to the good stuff coming up. See, extra bags. And there we go. Like I said, it's auto packing. So, I mean, it does it automatically. Like the tying of the bags. So, and they got a sale going on right now for this little guy. Buy one, get one free only on the Smart Sensor little guy. You got 2 AA batteries required. I think they come with them. So, either or, buy some Amazon batteries, you'll be good. But yeah, definitely amazing stuff. We got the USB back here and the power switch. So you can charge it up for a few hours, unplug the USB cable, and just let it go by itself so you don't need a cable all the time. I only did it to charge it for the video. So that's what it looks like. But this thing's not even that heavy either, so. But it does glide. Just got a little trouble with it. There you go. Got a timer right there. It's ready to use. See? Jedi mind tricks right there. And you also can get 20% off right now. All you gotta do is click the link down below. Check it out. And like I said, they also have a website, Garbbot.com. Well, they got better deals going on also. So either or, check them out. And here we go. But yeah, definitely impressed with this thing. I didn't know it did the automatic tie the bags, I guess you want to call it. Which is really cool. So Christmas around the corner, guys. We don't have that many months left, so you know, this would be a nice birthday gift, housewarming gift. Put it in your college dorm. Small business. There you go. There's a button you want to press for the auto packing and everything else. And whoop. Kind of looks like eyeballs. There you go. See them? There you go. And it shows what they do. Charging mode, flashlight, flashing red light, all that good stuff. But at the end, I'll show you the auto package. It's really cool. It only takes about a minute to watch the video, so might as well keep watching. There you go. 3, 2, 1, blast off. So that's that. There's a little guy right there. Same thing. So really cool. Smart trash can. You can put that on your desktop. You know, your bench area. Especially all you Lego peeps. You can have that around. Card collectors. Here we go. Goodbye. Once you press the button, this light comes on. That's so cool. Here we go. Maybe it's already good to go. Oh. Yeah, it's already emptied. Magic. Okay, we'll keep it. Hear it? It's possessed. Give it a second. Three, two, one. Huh. And it ties it. It's ready to be taken out. Like I said. Ooh. Give me it back. There you go. And poof. It's good to go. You can throw it in the trash. You don't even have to tie it up. It's nuts. Best thing ever. Alright, YouTubers. Good night.